In the workshop today, just sold a D4 bundle to a customer in Indonesia, Jakarta. You know who you are. He literally just made this purchase yesterday, but he's asked me to do some work to it. He wants me to flip out the lenses and stick in some cool amber lenses. We've now got these on the website, link down below if you want amber lenses thrown in. And if you want me to fit them as well, I can, but this is how you do it. It's ever so easy. So bearing in mind, this is a D4 bundle that's going to go on a GS or a GS Adventure. And in his case, it's going on a GS with a modified mount. So the lights are going to hang like this. And don't forget, we've got to make sure we put the floodlights at the bottom and the spots at the top. But obviously, we're going to flick these over and put the amber ones on it instead anyway. So all you do is undo these. I've already taken the tightness off them as it is. So that's like that. Take the clear lens out. You notice there's a gel seal inside here, little gel seal. So if you were just to flip them round like that, when you put it back on, you've got to make sure that gel seal is still perfectly in place. Then we're going to go inside the amber kit. Now what you get inside the kit, people think you get 2. You don't, you get 4. You get 4 lenses. And the reason you get 4 is because one, I don't know if you can see that from there, are completely clear. So you've got 4 spots and you've got 2 of those. So if you want to go spots, and then the other 2 are your hybrid lenses, which is what we've taken off here, because if you buy D4s as they are, you get the hybrid lenses fitted, but in the box comes the clear lights as well. Like that. As you can see, I'm a bit tight for space here. Right, so we're going to put this on. Remember, floods are go at the bottom and the spots at the top. And this can go on any which way you want, as long as you don't flick it over. I'm going to pop that back down. You can, if you want to, put some thread lock on these screws, but I personally don't think it's that essential. Oh, hang on a second. Hang on a second. I'm so busy talking, I didn't check that there's a seal on this, which I'm guessing there isn't. Look at that, how easy that is for anyone to get this wrong. If I'd sent this out like this, the customer would be phoning me saying it's got a leak and the lights are damaged and I'll be replacing them under warranty. Well, it wouldn't even be under warranty because I have to. So, just going to take out the seal. Like so. And just move it across and just gently pop it back into the groove on the new lens. There we go. So that is all in there nicely. So once again, we're going to double check floods to go at the bottom, make sure there's no debris or anything sitting around here to affect the seal. Pop that down, pop that on top and tighten up the screws. So when you tighten these up, there's a lot of common sense involved here. Don't go mad on the first screw. We're just going to take it in a little bit, get them all in so we tighten everything up evenly. Right, so now I've got that kind of like well, not finger tight, it's obviously with a hex head, but now we're going to go in and just give everything a tweak. Don't go mad, they're only small screws, so I'm sure you could easily thread that if you over tightened it. Okay, so there you are. What do you think? Right, so let's get the next one done. Okay, put that in his box. The rest of his stuff, let's do this one. So we're going to take out the the seal. So be very careful when you pull these. Don't just give them a yank, because you don't want to stretch them, because if you stretch them, they're really hard to get back in again. It's like you're feeding it into the groove, and you think to yourself, I've got too much stuff, too much seal. Right. I would leave that cover on, but if I do, the customer won't be able to get the cover off once I put the bezel back on. It's good. Right, remember, not that way around. It's hanging, floods at the bottom. Pop that back on top. It'd be good to actually see this powered up, wouldn't it? See what it looks like. Unfortunately, my bike is all together, so I can't access the plugs on my bike to plug it in. But I probably can run this to a 12-volt battery, so you can see what it's like at 100%. Yeah, let's do that, shall we? And we can do that just by taking one of the pigtails out of the box that comes. Plugging that in. Let's get a battery. Oh, I haven't even seen these yet lit up, so you're going to be the first to see it with me. Well, you won't be, because you're not seeing this live, are you? So let's go. Here goes. There you go. Actually, I must admit that was bright. That would I can understand how that must stick out to a lot of people on the roads. Take that out of there, put that back in there. You don't need these pigtails if you are installing your D4s to a CanSmart. It's just a universal thing they put in the boxes, just in case you need to connect them up to a, let's say, an Easy Can, for instance, where you've got to make your own harness. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. So if you want these, I've got loads of them in stock. If you want these on your bike, I don't think they're that popular in the UK. I know I'm based in the UK. I don't think they're a legal thing. But I sell all over Europe and America, well, all over the world. Like these ones are going to Jakarta. So I do keep a healthy stock of everything, really. Right, okay. Hope you enjoyed that video. See you in the next one. Ride safe.